How to recover deleted files from OneDrive. Accidentally deleted something important from OneDrive? Don't worry. I'll walk you through how to recover these files using the OneDrive website. Open your browser and go to onedrive.live.com and log in with your Microsoft account. On the left-hand side menu, click Recycle Bin. This section stores files that you've deleted within the last 30 days. Select the files or folders that you want to recover and click Restore. These files will go back to their original location instantly. And that's it. And that's all it takes to restore deleted files on OneDrive. No panic, just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.